Let's start exercise 1A, part 3 and part 4. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay. Can you hear me properly, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that's good. Good. Okay. And you can see the board. Is the board shining too much?
Miss, it's good right now.
Just a minute.
मिस बस अब सही है.
Now it's fine? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, class. Open your books at exercise 1A, page number 11. Come on.
Miss, how many questions we will do today?
Today we will do till question number 8 because
Okay,
question
miss.
number 1 and 2, 5 and 6 are absolutely same. Then question number 3 and 4, 7 and 8 are absolutely same. Okay? Now, actually I want to switch off this light. This was shining a lot. Okay, now here you can see this thing, na? Where my hand is, you can see it.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If it
Yes, miss.
says x is directly proportional to y,
Yes.
can you see it what I have written, or it is very
Yes.
No.
no, you can't see?
No.
Now can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
X is directly proportional to y. Let me check it out. Now, yes?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
It means x y के directly proportional है. If it says q is directly proportional to p, then q is written first, p will be written afterwards. S is directly proportional to t. S is written here and t is written on the right hand side. जैसे sentence बोला जाता है उसी तरह लिखा जाता है. F is directly proportional to G. Got it? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, beta. Now, class, can we solve this with the sign of proportionality?
No, miss.
No. What we have to change it into?
मिस ये हो जाएगा f upon g equals to c.
Equals to. When we put equals to sign here, suppose you only have one thing, x is directly proportional to y. When you write x equals to y, you cannot write it directly x equals to y. X is not equal to y. अगर 3 पेंसिल्स हैं और उसकी कॉस्ट 30 रुपीज या $30 है, it is not equal. 3 is not equal to 30. You need a constant, and that is called constant of
Okay.
proportionality, k. K
K.
is the symbol used for, k is the constant of proportionality. Got it? K is the constant of proportionality. With this value of K, you have to find the value of K every time it is being given, X and Y. Right now, you have three variables in your equation, X, Y, and K. If I have the value of any two of these variables, can I keep, no, what I was telling you, yes. Can I find the value of K if X and Y are given?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Now come to page number 8, example number 2. First, I will teach you the example, then you will do the questions yourself. Fine? I want each one of you to have an exercise book in front of you, and you keep on doing these things on your exercise book. Copy this example in your exercise book, your register.
Is it necessary to?
Yes. If you don't copy, how would you learn the method of solving the question? Who is asking this? Who is it necessary?
Because I have done it before also.
No, it's fine. You can, if you have done question number 3 and 4, you can copy this example somewhere else. Okay, so that
Miss,
you
I do not have the book.
Who doesn't have the book?
Miss
Usman.
Usman Sheikh.
Usman, it's the same book you were using in class 7. Why you don't have the book? Where is your previous book, beta? Usman,
Miss, I don't have it.
You didn't have it.
Miss, I don't have it.
But where it has gone, this is what I'm asking you.
मिस अभी स्कूल में ही होगी मिस वो स्कूल में ही है मिस
How smart of you, Usman. How smart of
मिस
you.
मेरे आज पापा जाएंगे मिस
Come to school and take it from school if
मिस
it
माय
is.
फादर विल कम
Okay. And Rida, you are saying something?
No, miss.
No? Okay. Okay. Atik, what it is? What you are telling us? Okay, nothing.
इस माइक
Come
खोल
on.
के बताता हूँ, माइक म्यूट करके कुछ नहीं बताता.
Okay. Example number 2, page number 8. Okay, Atik, read example number 2, page 8. Read it.
What is example?
Example 2.
If y is directly proportional to x and y.
Yes, just a minute. One line. Y is directly proportional to X and
Y.
Y is directly proportional to X. Then
X and y.
next,
Y is equals to 12 and when x is equals to 4.
okay. Find the value. First of all, it says number 1 part says write an equation connecting X and Y. Atik, what would be my equation?
X upon y is equals to k.
No way. मेरी इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी? ये कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी का साइन हटाऊंगी तो इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी मेरी?
Y is equals to x upon k.
X is equals to ky.
X upon k is equals to y.
X upon k की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही. Yes. Fatma
Miss,
Habib.
4 is proportional to 12.
No, no.
Y equals to kx.
Perfect. Who has said this? Y is equal to kx. Perfect. Fatima Mujtaba. Yes, Fatima. Absolutely correct. Y is equals to kx. Arey beta, you are changing this sign of proportionality. You change this sign and you get a constant. You get equal to sign and you get a k. Atik, you are talking about one step ahead. Now, y and x, both values are given to you. Yes?
Yes.
Abiha Asad. Abiha, open your mic.
Yes.
Okay. Abiha, now what should I do? I have 3 variables, y, k, and x. Out of these 3 variables, I am being given by the question the values of 2 variables. Which variable I shall find out first?
Miss, may I tell?
No, let her think. Let her think. Yes, Abiha. Even if it is wrong, tell me the answer. What do you think? उसने कहा है in the question that k is equals to 12. Sorry, y is equals to 12. X is equals to 4.
4.
What should I do? I will put the values in this equation to find the constant k. Got it? It will become 12 here. K remain as it is. For x,
4.
I have the value 4. I will put it here. Now, I want to find out k. What should I do?
Miss, we will take 4 on the other side.
Perfect. And what will it become?
12 multiplied by 4.
No. It's
12.
going to be here and it will. What 4 will do when it goes to the other side of equality?
Divide.
Divide. Because it's multiplying here, it becomes opposite when it goes to the other side of equality. It will divide. K equals to, what is K equals to?
3.
Perfect. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are, yes. Perfect, 3. Now class, my equation was y is equal to kx. When I got the value of k and I put it in my equation, what is the original equation of my? This is part 1 of the example. Write an equation connecting x and y. Write it down with the constant k. K की वैल्यू आ गई. अब k की वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में पुट करके इक्वेशन लिख के दिखाओ उसको. What would be my equation? Abhi
12 equal to 3.
No way. No way. In the
Miss,
form
what you
of
are
y
saying?
and x. In the form of y and x.
Miss, please repeat.
I am
Y
saying
is equals to 4 multiplied by 8.
no.
Oh, 3 multiplied by 8.
Listen. They are saying write an equation connecting y and x.
Y equal to 3 is x.
Perfect. Y is equal to, I am writing it here. You will write it under it. That is the answer of your first part. Y is equals to 3x. Perfect. Part 1 done. इसी पार्ट 1 से जो इक्वेशन आपके पास आई है, आप इससे पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 3 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ who is this? Ali Muhammad yawning in my class at 2 o'clock in the middle of the afternoon. He is just yawning. Yes, Ali Muhammad, open your mic.
Yes, miss.
अली पार्ट 2 रीड करो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 का.
When x equals to 8, y equals to 3 multiplied by 8 equals to 24.
हाँ. What is the
Miss, may
question?
I?
Question पढ़ो. Don't read the solution. Read the question, beta.
A value of 5 when x equals to 8.
Find the value of x. Sorry, find the value of y when x is equals to
8.
8. What should I do? क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
Miss, 3. Miss, 3 is equals to 3 bracket 8.
Yes. Y is equals to 3 multiplied by 8. 3 into 8 is?
Y equal to 24.
24.
Okay. This is my part 2. Done? Answer is here. Now, part 3. Okay, who is this? Samir. Samir Munaf. Samir, open your mic. Open your mic and open your camera as well. Munib, Muhammad, Anas. Then
Miss,
Beta.
I daily open my camera. Today, Miss, there's a problem in it. So please.
So whatever, please open it right now. Abdullah Rauf, Ashal, Hamza.
Miss, my camera is not working.
Hamza Munaf. Beta, is there any one of you in the class who is entering with your brother, sister, mother's name? Is there anyone in the class who has not entered the class? Because now, right now, I don't remember your names. Is there anyone? Munib Munawar, open your camera.
Yes, Miss, it's me.
Yes, open your camera.
Miss, I'll try. I'm trying.
Keep on trying. I will also try to keep you remain absent in my class. I will not mark your attendance with this drama, everyone, every day. Okay, let me mark your attendance first. Fatima Mujtaba, beta, you have entered with 2 devices. Yes. Okay. Okay, class. Now, what does part 3 says? Example number 2, part 3. Hurry up quickly.
The value
The value of x when y is equals to 21.
The value of x when y is equals to 21. Now, y is equal to 3x.
21 is
Value
equals
of
to 3
x.
multiplied by x.
What should I do?
Let's multiply 21 by
Divide by 3.
divide by 3.
Divide by 3.
Okay. One by one. Beta, one by one.
7.
Miss, X is equal to 7.
X is equals to 7.
X equals to 7. Now, Is there any difficulty in solving this question?
No.
Question number
No.
3 and question number 4 are
No.
same as this. But you have to keep in mind that you have to do each and every step. ये सारे steps करेंगे. मुझे भी पता है कि इसकी वैल्यू ज़बानी भी मालूम की जा सकती है. But you are not going to do it without writing all these steps. Always remember, class, in maths, each and every step has a number. You skip a step, you skip some steps of solving questions, they will not give you full marks. In CIE, if there are 8 line givens, it means the answer should have 7 steps or 8 steps. Get my this point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You keep
Yes.
like very short, you will not be able to do it.
मिस थोड़े से भी मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे उसके.
बेटा जितना थोड़ा लिखेंगे उतने थोड़े मार्क्स मिलेंगे.
ओके मिस.
ठीक है ना?
Miss,
Yes.
this question for part 1 कैसे होगा?
Okay. What does it say? Question 4 part 1. What does it say, Abhiha?
Express Q in terms of P.
Q in terms of P. First of all, tell me, what does question number 4 says? Question 4 कह क्या रहा है? Read
If
out the
Q-
question.
If Q is directly proportional to P
Q
and Q
is directly proportional to P. The first thing you have to write is this. जब तक आप ये नहीं लिखेंगे, आप कभी भी क्वेश्चन सही से नहीं बना सकेंगे. Then,
मिस
what
Q is
would-
equals to KP.
Perfect. Q is equals to KP. Now, class, one more thing, one very important thing, which is right now not related to your question, but it is very important. When you are talking about cost of something and the amount of thing, क्या पेंसिल की कॉस्ट, सॉरी, क्या नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स डिपेंड करती है कॉस्ट पे या कॉस्ट डिपेंड करती है पेंसिल्स पे?
मिस कॉस्ट डिपेंड.
कॉस्ट डिपेंड करती है पेंसिल्स पर.
Miss, cost depend करती है
You
pencils पे.
understand this thing?
Yes.
In maths, we have 2 variables when it comes to direct and indirect proportion. Okay? When it comes to direct and indirect proportion, we have 2 things. One is your dependent variable and the other is your independent variable. Your amount of pencils is a dependent variable, while the cost is the independent variable. You know why? Because as the number of pencils increase or decrease, the cost will automatically increase or decrease. So the first letter in the equation, whatever it is, Q is directly proportional to P, F is directly proportional to S, whatever, the left hand side of the equation, this variable is the dependent variable. Dependent variable. And the number of pencils is the independent variable. Now class, when you come to graph, you know why it is important to learn what is dependent variable and what is independent variable?
मिस मुझे आंसर मिल गया मिस.
I'm not talking about answer. Listen. In graph, you have 2 axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. Always remember, your independent variable will come on x-axis. Independent variable.
Miss, I can't see the graph.
यस मिस ग्राफ नजर नहीं आ
You
रहा.
can't see the graph? Just a minute. Let me show.
मिस आ गया मिस आ गया.
Now, you
अब
can
सही
see.
है.
यस मिस.
See? And on y-axis, you will always write the dependent variable. अब इधर है Q और इधर है P. मैं इसमें से कौन सा वेरिएबल x पे लूंगी और कौन सा y पे लूंगी? किसकी वैल्यू x एक्सिस पे लूंगी?
x में p y पे और p x पे.
Q will be go on y axis and P will come
Yes,
on
miss.
x axis.
X-axis.
You get my this point?
Yes, miss.
अच्छा, अब हम बात
Yes.
करते हैं इक्वेशन की. They want you to find the equation connecting P and Q. Okay?
Miss इधर लिखा हुआ Q is equal to 28 when P is
Okay.
equal to 4.
P is equals to 4. Q is equals to 28.
Yes.
When P is equals to 4.
4.
How
Yes.
will I find the value of K? This is part 1 of the
Miss,
question.
Miss, you will
Miss,
divide.
divide by 4.
You will divide by 4.
Miss, 28 divided by 4 is equals to
Yes.
K.
7 is equals to K.
Yes, Miss, 7 is the answer.
Now, the same thing repeat. Same thing repeat as example. K की वैल्यू लिख के हम सबसे पहले इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. That is Q equals to,
Q equals to 7P.
and with this equation we will keep on writing the answers of part 2 and part 3. कहीं वो Q की वैल्यू दे के P की वैल्यू पूछेगा, and somewhere it will give you P's value and they will ask you for Q's value. Got it?
Miss, where
Question
did
number.
Yes.
Yes.
Miss,
Yes,
there's
Aliza.
7. It's written 7 is equal to K. So at the end, where is the K? We're writing Q is equal to 7P.
I'm not writing. Yes. K's value I have written na here for the equation. This is the equation. उससे
Okay,
कहा
miss.
है write an
Yes,
equation
miss.
connecting Q and P. This is the equation connecting.
Miss,
Q
what
and
will be our homework?
Yes, this is what I'm saying. Your homework is question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If
Okay, miss.
you have any problem, we will discuss it on Monday because you don't have any class. You will not be having any class tomorrow. Happy Independence Day, everyone, and be there in the
Okay, miss.
celebration tomorrow. Okay?
Okay,
Allah
miss.
Hafiz, everyone.